that again.
Galileo's principle of inertia states that an object will continue in its original state of motion unless some outside agent acts on it.
The original state of motion was me running in a circle, but Barry Lynn, the outside force, came and knocked me out of my original state.
That again.
Newton's first law states that every body continues in its state of rest or uniform motion in a right line, unless it is compelled to change that state by forces impressed upon it. The first law establishes two conditions. The first is if all external forces on a system are balanced, then its velocity remains constant. That is, no acceleration occurs. The second is if all forces acting on a system are not balanced, then a non-zero resultant force exists and the velocity changes, or an acceleration does occur. Barry Lynn is our constant, and she is balanced.
And balance!
Until I push her, and she's no longer balanced.
That again.
Static friction. Friction between two stationary objects. When two surfaces attempt to slide against each other due to a shearing force, friction will prevent them from sliding until the force parallel to the surface exceeds the static friction. In other words, static friction can vary from 0 up to a maximum value. Friction is the forward component of the reaction force.
The grass represents the static friction. Therefore, I can walk upon it. But the tarp represents an area with no static friction. Therefore, when I walk upon it, I fall.
That again.
Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction.
Notice, action, equal, opposite.
Good. That again.
Static friction. Barry Lynn is standing still in the cooler, and the grass is standing still. And right now they're not moving, and so there's no friction. But when Alex tries to move the cooler, he's going to have a hard time at first. Because the force isn't equal or whatever to the friction. So Alex tries to move it. Alex. And he fails because he's weak. Then he eats a spinach and there it goes. Away. Away.
That again.
Gravity. What comes up must come down.
Just do a toe touch.
Do a toe touch. This is gravity.
I gotta get ready.
Gravity in action.
And the preparation.
I'm taking the sound off of that, so.
No.
No.
Because I'm gonna put heavy metal music to it.
Why?
Because.
With words? They can't have lyrics.
Alright.
Wait.
I gotta make sure.
You left these on.
Okay.
Okay, go. Alex, if you walk in front of him right now, I will punch you too.
Yeah, because I'm not doing it again.
Come on.
Centripetal force, a central force responsible for accelerating a system in a circular path.
This bucket contains water. That is water. That is water. If enough centripetal force is exhibited while swinging the bucket, then the water will stay inside of the bucket and not drench me.
Newton's first law states... Why are you late today, Alex?
Well, see, what happened was...
We're walking, taking a trip. Walking, taking a trip. Swim, Balin.
Wait, what?
I don't know. Just keep telling the
I was
story.
saying I was or wasn't before.
We don't know.
We were just saying no.
Oh. Well, yes.
Sure.
So,
Somebody hold this.
Kyle came on one day like, there.
It's not in that pocket, loser.
Principle of inertia states that an object
But yeah, long story short, December 16th at 1:30 in the p.m. I'm going to court.
Really?
Now I have 4 people to testify already.
Can I testify?
You can if you want.
You're
I
going
kinda-
to court.
do I get
Why
out
do
of
you have
school?
to go to court?
Because I'm contending this ticket because it's stupid.
Well, then they'll just get you for the headlight thing.
Newton's first law states that everybody continues in its state of rest or uniform motion in a right line, unless it is compelled to change by that... Stop. Mary Lynn is balanced. And is that a...
He gave me a warning for that. That's said and done.
Tina, the mastermind.
Can I come watch?
Do we get out of school?
I'm getting out of school, and I can give care whether or not they let me out of school or not. But
Well, we'll come if you...
Testify? You yell at me all the... Now?
Yeah. Just go.
Can we read it?
Yeah. No. Go. Just read. We can edit this out later.
Galileo's principle of inertia states. I'm the #1 example.
They would then put him in jail for abuse. Because they'll be like, he yells at me all the time.
I would be
Abuser.
like, no. He
Abuse.
really enforces
Tina.
the importance of the
Alex.
safety
come
belt.
look at this. Come.